In this video, we will see what options can be customized in the Flowsheet button found in the Options menu. First, we will go to the Options menu and click on the Flowsheet button. The Flowsheet Options dialog allows us to customize the appearance and functionality of the flowsheet. Under the General tab, users can specify the size of the flowsheet and also the scale at which we view it on the interface. Selecting grid size from fine or coarse or hiding them can also be made in this tab. Alternative to the flowsheet settings, users can also toggle snap options as isometric or orthogonal on this tab. The General tab also enables users to customize the background color of the flowsheet. When the Split Pipe on Insertion checkbox is engaged, Fluid Flow automatically splits a pipe into half when a component is introduced in it. For example, when a 10-meter pipe has a valve dropped onto it, the connecting pipes to the valve are automatically specified with a length of 5 meters. Users can also activate showing the text on the flowsheet. They can also set up the fonts to be used for the text tool. The generation of backup files can also be set up automatically in this tab. From the Components tab, users can specify some information about flybys. For example, they can be shown or hidden. Flybys can also be made transparent and have them aligned according to user preference. The other functions on the flowsheet settings can also be engaged here, such as aligning the unique name texts, showing or hiding unique names, node and pipe numbers, warnings highlight, element properties, and also make element properties transparent. Text properties shown in the flowsheet can also be configured in this tab by clicking the text box. Users can also customize colors for these components within the flowsheet. When the Applied Change to All Open Networks is checked, all the settings configured in the flowsheet option are applied to all modeling files opened. Clicking the default box stores the setup preferences when reopening fluid flow files. Also, clicking Reset to Defaults returns the entire option to its original configuration. After this video, you can now customize the flowsheet beyond the default settings in the user interface. In the following video, we'll explore the customizable calculation options.